Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Canva design into a PDF file. So, it is really simple. Once you have finished editing or creating your design in Canva, like this one, which is your CV or resume, and you are satisfied with your design after checking for any mistakes, now you're ready to export, right? To export it as a PDF, just go to the Share button and click on it. Then go to Download. If you want to print your resume, go to Download and select PDF format. Then just hit Download. If you want to share in a PNG format, there is an option for that as well. If you want to share or download in PNG format, that is also available. So, in this way, you can convert your design to PNG or PDF format. It's a simple and easy task. If you have any confusion about this video, please comment below. I will answer all your questions. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more helpful videos for you, and I'll see you in the next one.